Hello, I'm going to show you how to unlock and recruit officers like Lucy Baldwin and the Padre in Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced. If this video helps you, please like it, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so let's unlock your first officers. First, you need to progress through the story until you unlock the officer recruitment system. Once it's available, open your map and look for the officer locations marked around the world. For Lucy Baldwin, travel to her location and start the recruitment mission. Follow the objectives, complete the task, and once it's finished, she will join your crew. Now, for the Padre, head to his location on the map and complete his recruitment mission as well. All right, after recruiting them, you can assign these officers to your ship and use their special bonuses to improve your adventures. And that's how you unlock and recruit officers like Lucy Baldwin and the Padre in Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced.